This is Chaitra, pursuing third year at Geetham University, Bengaluru. Today I am here to interview one of my senior, an achiever of 2021 batch. Let's go and have an interaction with him. Hello bro, this is Chaitra.
Hi Chaitra, how are you?
Fine Anna, what about you?
I'm doing good.
How is your final year going on?
Everything is online due to this pandemic. We lost our college days. Yeah, fine, I'm enjoying, that's it.
In search of holidays, we lost our colleges.
Yes, it's true.
Being an easy student, we feel like learning coding is very difficult and getting placed in IT in the software or IT industry is very difficult. What are your suggestions for us which motivates us?
Coding is not everyone's cup of tea because I say if you really want it, you really want to learn it. There are many ways. We have very good faculties, and nowadays internet, half of the learning is done there itself. A little bit of spark is required for you to learn everything. For that, our GCC had hosted trainings for sessions for us, which helped me a lot to get these coding and some core skills which have been brushed.
Okay. How was your days in Geetham?
Geetham, I love Geetham because these were my turning point of my life. I enjoyed a lot. I had lots of friends living in hostel and good and very friendly faculties. This added a very good flavor to my achievements and my memories.
From which year you have started preparing for placement?
To be precise, I started brushing up my this intrapersonal skills in second year, and I started looking into my technical skills in the starting of third year. Till then, I was not at all motivated, and I was enjoying my college life. Then the time came where I had to start my technical skills, brush up my technical skills for the placements.
Any happy or sad memories in Geetham?
Happy memories. The days which I spent in Geetham hostels were the very much happy memories for me. I enjoyed a lot because uh, I had lots of friends, sports, many curricular activities in college. This made me happy.
That late nights, night
Yeah,
outs,
late night movie
movies that
times. It was actually good.
apart from technical skills, what are the other skills required to get placed in IT industry?
Technical skills are not only required because if you know coding very well, and if you lag in time management decision making skills, then it will be a very difficult time for you. So you should brush up your intrapersonal skills, soft skills, and namely you should be very confident in what you speak. That is the only thing which you can do, and these training sessions killed it because these training sessions hosted by GCGC helped us in many ways for this.
Are you a backbencher?
I don't actually prefer to sit in one place. I have friends in each and every bench. I'll be changing my place every time.
Okay, fine. What's your favorite place in Geetham?
Geetham Hostel.
The hostel.
Geetham
Yeah.
Hostel is my favorite place.
That few words about Geetham.
Geetham Geetham is like my turning point of my life. So this changed my life completely. The happiest days which I've spent are in Geetham. If you take my issue from first day of my college, I was actually worried about my placements because in 10th standard I had 59%. This was the main issue. I lacked in many of the MNCs. I was not eligible for the MNCs, and this created me a lot of problem. but GCGC was very motivating. They were helping me a lot. Your day will come. Wait, attend each and every day which you have. Take part in each and every opportunity. Grab it. I was like, okay, I'll wait. And here, my cup of tea, Apex Technologies.
Yeah. Few words about yourself.
Myself, I'm very much entertaining, enjoying, and the only thing this placements when I started was finally at last point of my third year I started this, and now I am happy.
What are the other extracurricular activities you are participating in when you are in college, apart from academics?
Extracurricular, apart from academics, I was hosting events in our college. In the college fest, I was a coordinator of a team called the Team Bot, a event named Line Follower Robot. I hosted this event. I was into events, these things. Sports, I lack in sports, but these kind of activities, I was the one to get into first, grab the opportunities.
What are your suggestions for juniors?
Please don't get panic for everything. There will be your cup of tea waiting for you. So your hard work is required. Put your hard work, put your efforts. You will achieve one day.
Yeah. It was pleasant time, bro.
Thank you, thank you. Nice
Thank
talking to you.
you. Bye.
Bye.